Hi everyone! Welcome to our mini vlog series on the fascinating world of arts and humanities. Today, we'll embark on a journey through various aspects of art, from its philosophical underpinnings to its diverse forms and cultural significance. Let's dive in!
The humanities encompass the study of human culture, including the literature, philosophy, history, and of course, by art. By exploring the humanities, we gain a deeper understanding of the human experience and the diverse ways people express themselves.
Art is based on several key assumptions. It is a form of communication. It can invoke emotion and it can be both subjective and universal. These assumptions help us appreciate art's multifaceted nature.
Art serves many functions. It can be aesthetic, educational, political, or therapeutic. Philosophically, art raises questions about beauty, meaning, value, prompting us to reflect on what it means to be human.
The subject of art refers to the themes and ideas it explores, ranging from everyday life and nature to abstract concepts and emotions. Artists use their work to comment on society, express personal experiences, and explore new ideas.
Artistic mediums are the materials and techniques artists use to create their work. This includes everything from paint and canvas and visual arts, words in literature, sounds in music, and movement in dance.
Art planes refers to different layers or dimensions in an artwork, including foreground, middle ground, and background. These planes can help create deep perspective, making two-dimensional works appear more lifelike.
The elements of art are the building blocks of any artwork. These include line, shape, color, and texture, space, and form. Understanding these elements helps us analyze the appreciation of complexity and artistic reactions.
Traditional arts in the Philippines include weaving, pottery, tattooing. These practices are integral to Filipino identity and heritage, showcasing the country's rich and cultural diversity.
In the Cordillera region, art forms such as wood carving, weaving, tattooing are deeply connected.
Music genres are categorized that describe the style or form of music such as classical, jazz, rock, hip-hop, and electronic. Each genre has unique characteristics and cultural roots, contributing to the rich tapestry of global music.
Cultural appropriation occurs elements of one culture and taking use another without permission. Understanding this can lead misunderstanding, perpetuate stereotypes, highlights the need for cultural sensitivity and respect.
In the Philippines, the Gawad sa Manlilikha ng Bayan or GAMABA honors national living treasures, recognizing artists to preserve and promote traditional arts. These individuals keep cultural heritage alive through their exceptional skills and dedication. I'm Cadet Balga.
I'm Cadet Binin.
I'm Cadet Ibanez.
I'm Cadet Eliurin.
I'm Cadet Rosana.
I'm Cadet Barita.
And we are the Art Applications.
The humanities encompasses the study of human culture, including the literature, philosophy, history, and of course, art. By exploring the humanities, we again